Transkribus is a software that you can train to read handwritten documents through transcription and layout analysis. After about 100 pages, the software should be able to read the documents on its own at a fairly accurate rate. I'm going to walk you through the process of doing this for one letter. First, some buttons to be aware of. On the left are menus you can toggle between. We'll look at the Server, Metadata, and Tools menu in this video. There are task icons at the top that let you save, navigate, and view different documents. Along the viewing pane, there are editing icons to allow you to manually change layout elements of documents. These won't be used very often and not in this video. The viewing pane, or canvas, will contain the document itself, which you'll navigate by clicking and dragging or scrolling to zoom in and out. Fit to width will usually get you back to a readable size. So you can see what some of these buttons do. Let's get started. After you've logged into Transkribus with your account and selected the collection you're working on, it's time to upload documents to transcribe. You upload a document into Transkribus by clicking on the import icon or the little folder with the green left pointing arrow. For this project, we'll upload letters one at a time. Select Extract and Upload Images from PDF. Find the folder you've saved or downloaded them to. Select the file and click Open, and then click Upload. It will take Transkribus a few seconds to upload the document to its server, but you can click the refresh icon at the bottom of your collection list, and it will appear in bold when it has uploaded. Double-click the file you want to transcribe. Before we start transcribing, we have to tell Transkribus where the words on the page are before we can teach it what they are saying. To do this, click on the Tools tab, and underneath Layout Analysis, select all pages so you don't have to run the analysis for each page, and then click Run. Then select Yes. The job of recognizing where handwriting exists has started. Depending on how long the letter is, this could take a minute or so, but in my experience, it has taken no longer than 30 seconds, so be patient. When it's done, click Yes to reload the page. You'll see that now the document has given each page a text region in a green square, lines in the light blue rectangles, and baselines in the dark blue lines. Check to make sure that Transkribus has identified these correctly. Every now and then, it will detect handwriting where there is none. You'll need to delete or edit these anomalies. The key is to get the lines to mimic how we read a text, from top to bottom and left to right. If these are out of order, this can be corrected. Transkribus will ask you to save changes before you move to the next page or close the document. Say yes. After you've made sure the lines are in the right order, begin transcribing the pages as they appear. Include errors in spelling and punctuation. Not only is this standard practice in transcription, remember, we're teaching a machine how to recognize handwriting, even if it contains errors. There are a few challenges when trying to be accurate, but here are some solutions to two common issues. First, if you come across something that's illegible, do not ignore it. If you can't figure out, based on context clues, what it's saying, use the tags feature to tell the software that it isn't clear with the unclear tag, or that you've left a gap in the transcription with the gap tag. You can also write illegible in brackets and use the supplied tag to tell the software that you've added in words that aren't there. Second, if something is written but marked through, format the text as strike through. When you're transcribing a document, the status will automatically say in progress. If you want to alert someone that you finished working on this transcription, change that to done. If you're the reviewer and you've read the transcription or made edits, you can change the status to final. You can add a tag to make something clearer, as previously discussed, but you also add tags to your document to enhance either the structure or the content of the document. To add a tag, highlight the text you want to tag and click on the Metadata tab. If the document has a structural element that needs tagging, such as marginalia that's been added or page numbers that have been written in, you can give those a structural tag. If you want certain elements within the document's contents to be tagged, such as an address or a person's name, you can do this with a textual tag. And if you want to add a structural or textural tag that isn't there already, click the Customize button to create a tag and edit its properties. That is the gist of using Transkribus. As other questions and curiosities arise, feel free to reach out to me, Hillary, and happy transcribing!